What is up, YouTube? It's been a while since I made a video, so today's video is not going to be car audio related. It's going to be on our new toy, I guess. I'm sure if you read the title that you know what this is. This is a 2014 Arctic Cat 700 Wildcat Trail, I believe. Yeah, it's a Wildcat Trail. I had also just put the 3-inch eBay lift kit on it. I'll put a link down in the description of that kit that I had purchased, so you could just click it and buy it if you want to. So far, rides pretty good with just the lift. Next, I don't know why they came stock with 12-inch wheels, but I can't go anything bigger than like a 28 or 29-inch tire, and I want to go with 30-inch Gorilla Silverbacks, and you need a 14-inch rim. So I found a set of those on eBay, brand new, for like $350, 14-inch rims, and then I'm gonna buy some probably used Gorilla Silverbacks to put on this. I'm gonna go with at least 30s. I might go with 32s. I don't know if the 32s will hit back here by the they'll probably hit this, but so I'm probably just gonna stick with 30s. These are 27 Bighorns. So did the 3-inch lift, and then I'll have a 3-inch bigger tire for a total of 6 inches of lift. I do have this piece too. I did the other side. I got the half windshield. This thing I just taped up to let some air in. I don't even know. It's got a light bar up here. I put a light bar on the back. Had a TPS sensor go bad, so I replaced that when I got it. Here's the rear lift, the blocks here, and then the preload I put right back where it was, so it does ride pretty stiff, but I'm gonna do all the fine changes after I put the bigger tires on, because everything's gonna change. But so far it rides pretty good. I don't know about these sway bar links, but they're loose now since the lift. So I don't know if I'd have to make these longer, or maybe when I put the bigger tires on, if that'll bring these A-arms up, if that'll quit. We'll see. The dude I bought it from, new clutches he put in it and stuff, he had said. I'm gonna do the big gun exhaust too. That's one of the upgrades I want to do instead of this stock exhaust. And I guess it had broke off too. He had to have it welded, and this stupid, they had to get this exhaust shield off, and it rattles like hell. So I got to do something with that. I'd like to take it off, but I don't want this getting too hot and melting the plastic. But yeah, it's a 700 V-twin, fuel injected. See, I have this side on for the door. Like I said, when I got it, it needed a throttle position sensor. There was a code on the dash. Now it has, because the fan, the relay for the fan had went bad for the radiator. So it has that code now, which I'm not too worried about. They just ran it to a switch right here, and it turns the radiator fan on. That's for the winch. Let's see, what else can I show you guys? And I'll show you this front over here, this side. There's the relocation. Let it focus. This is where the shock was, and now it's up here, so it brings the shock out and up. And that's where you get your 3 inches of lift. And it did bring it up quite a bit, ground clearance. But I'll fire it up for you. So like I said, there is an engine code because of the fan relay. But that's it. Other than that, you guys, let's start it up. Give me a second here. Yeah, see, it's a P0485. Got your engine temperature, your voltage, your intake air temperature. I haven't rode it long, so it's only 93 degrees. Your tach, your RPMs, your fuel, and then back to temperature. here is for when you're in reverse, so it does it so you can fly in reverse. Then here's another switch for some of the rear lights, and this switch is for the rear light bar. But overall, yeah, I like it. Especially, I really got it for the wife. She likes it. Yeah, I hate that shield. This just needs cleaned up because these were off. I just put this on. Once I power wash it, it'll clean up. But alright guys, let me know if you have one and what other mods I can do. I was thinking about snorkeling it. I follow a couple pages online and watching the guys snorkel them. It does have the wheel spacers, also the 2-inch wheel spacers. They were on there when I got it. And the lift recommends that. I just put all new brake pads on it. It's got new lines because the dude that I got it from replaced that. I guess he put a new rack in it too, a new radiator. If you guys, let me know if you guys have run engine ice in these, because I run that in all my bikes. I'm thinking about getting all the coolant out and just running engine ice in this, just so it runs cool in the trails and whatnot. But if you have any questions on it, or if you have any information that upgrades or whatnot, let me know. I like it, this thing. It's got plenty of balls and power. Like stock horsepower is almost 70 horsepower. But yeah, thanks for watching. Think about subscribing, because like I said, there's going to be more videos after I get the bigger tires put on, and then the big gun exhaust I'm going to put on. So I'll do a noise comparison on that and see if it's any performance upgrade from that exhaust and whatnot. So stay tuned. Please hit that like button, leave a comment down below. I answer everybody. So I appreciate you guys watching, and have a good one. Take care.